Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Zip. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. The World Bank announced that crypto is going to play a big role in the world finance, and that especially XRP is going to be the lead cryptocurrency in this trend. The last couple of years XRP Ripple is growing, and that leads to strengthening the relations with the most powerful global financial institutions. The Bank of International Settlements recently announced that the XRP in particular is going to be the next financial system of the world. And one of the most important financial institutions, World Bank, also stated that this currency, XRP, is going to play a major role in the global financial system. Let's see how and what makes XRP so special to reach this heights and why XRP is favorite to the most important financial institutions in the world. The connection to World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund, is one of the most valuable for this currency and for its future. So far with lots of speeches and international events we've seen that there is connection between Ripple, World Bank and IMF. Christine Lagarde, former managing director of IMF, recently revealed her opinion on cryptocurrency and the financial systems in the world. According to her, the crypto will take more central role in the financial relations in the world, and they are going to influence the central banks in the countries, and consequently it will influence the World Bank and the IMF. And it is not a secret that IMF and Ripple have several meetings and have met on several occasions together, like conferences and financial events. One of the most notable meetings was in Singapore between Brad Garlinghouse, Chief Executive Officer in Ripple, and Ross Letzko, Deputy General Counsel at IMF. Both of these very important figures in the world of global finance were talking alone at the stage, and was clear that there is something between these two huge institutions that we are not totally aware of. According to the media, the IMF is the institution that organized several meetings between Ripple and central banks. And most of the analysts believe that IMF organized these meetings with the intention to push the technology of Ripple to the central banks. And by technology we mean the unique blockchain technology that Ripple is using for their currency. It is worth mentioning the Swiss National Bank conference, where most of the attendees were the most influential people in the bank world, including the head of the Bank of International Settlements, and at that meeting, we saw the managing director at the time, Christine Lagarde, with Brad Garlinghouse, who was the only representative from the private sector. All the other members were representatives of the central banks. The IMF realized that Ripple has great potential in their technology, and they tried to show other central banks how important this technology is and that this can be the future for the monetary system. And according to the analysts' views, XRP is going to play the central role when the central banks are going to adopt the Ripple's technology with the assistance of IMF. XRP products are real-world solutions. In a report of the senior financial sector specialist in the Innovation Global Practice of the World Bank by the name of Marco Nicoli, has written that distributed ledgers are very valuable, and particularly Ripple's ledger. And he called Ripple's XRapid as potential transformational technology that can change the financial transactions and especially the user experience in the global scale. In that report we can see praising of Ripple's XRapid, and this technology was called real-world solution that was actively tested for a long time so far. The report is noting that some of this distributed ledger technologies, or DLTs, has the potential to change the industry for good. DLT solutions has the potential to bypass the de-risking issue. The report is reminding that in 2018, Ripple piloted XRapid, a DLT-based cross-border payment solution along the very competitive US-Mexico corridor. And it is reminded that the transfer of funds trough this technology took only 2 to 3 seconds. And of course, there are some challenges in this technology that needs to be overcome, but blockchain technology and digital assets like XRP can create more frictionless cross-border payments, and the mission to Ripple is to remove the friction to worldwide transactions and enable money to move the same way that information moves today, instantaneously. This can solve many problems in the international money transfer and especially in the business world. On other blogs and articles we can find good predictions and analysis. In one blog on Ripple Insight says that banks and most of the other financial institutions can use the cross-border method in the today's world and give experience without any frictions and reduce most of the challenges customers are facing today. Banks and financial institutions that can bring cross-border payment methods into the modern world and provide truly frictionless experience that reduces the many pain points consumers are facing today will emerge as leaders in tomorrow's global payment industry. Intelleger is very promising. The World Bank says that the Intelleger protocol is very promising for interoperability in the payment realm. IMF and World Bank done a study of how the Intelleger can be used and it was compared between some blockchains. In that research they transferred money between Ethereum and XRP ledger networks via Intelleger. It was also measured how Polkadot can be combined with different blockchains. Here was also included the Intelleger developed by Ripple's former CTO, Stephen Thomas. This Intelleger is an open-source protocol that can enable money transfer between different blockchain networks. And with this study was concluding that the Intelleger platform was very promising technology for the payment industry. According to the study, the Ripple's Intelleger protocol can be sent from XRP and received into ETH, USD or EUR. During the tests, researchers were using Ethereum and XRP ledger and got very positive results. In the study was said that for now it is very difficult to compare Polkadot with Ethereum. Polkadot can combine different blockchain networks at a common point. And these researchers from World Bank and IMF tested substrate technology developed for easier connection to the Polkadot network. They concluded that the substrate provided more opportunities to the blockchain developers than usual, but was stated that Polkadot cannot be compared to Ethereum. Reasons why XRP will play a huge role in the future financial systems. Ripple is the one currency that has its own purpose. Ripple is a micro-cap option when compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. This means that everyone that is investing in XRP is expecting this currency to grow because now it is smaller currency compared to these two. Investors and developers that designed XRP had a goal in their minds. And their idea was to create cryptocurrency that easily can be implemented in the world and can use in the real case scenarios. This is an important fact that investors are taking seriously. XRP is solving major problems in the industry. Their blockchain technology allows the transactions to be done almost instantaneously, and we all know how the SWIFT process works. This technology is huge upgrade. Transaction approved in 2 to 3 seconds in comparison to 3 to 5 business days is amazing upgrade. XRP is providing the banks with on-demand liquidity. Ripple solves the problem of confirmation and DB management. The XRP on-chain liquidity has a goal to provide conversion almost in the very seconds and payments into any fiat currency on demand. According to the company, this can reduce the costs for the banks up to 60%. The Ripple company is pushing the XRP cryptocurrency to become global currency for money transfer and everyday use. The XRP is aiming for creating completely decentralized network for financial transaction and banking. It is for sure aiming in providing global payment platform for users. The platform of XRP is already using globally, and especially the XRP ledger. Not only that is already in use, but it is still growing a lot, and it is to the degree that exceeded many expectations. The main reason in using the Ripple is because it solves the problem for international transfers that used to be very slow. This is cheaper and efficient option for the businesses. It is interesting that the transactions are settled in the same moment and in the local currencies on both sides. This is huge advantage for the ones that are working cross-border and the ones with international business. In some research, the digital asset of XRP turned out to be more popular than Bitcoin in USA. This standout is result to the mentioning of the World Bank, IMF and all the other advantages that XRP is having over others. The XRP can be the solution that can change the status quo, which will benefit the end user. All the above-mentioned global financial institutions stated that XRP has the possibility to impact people globally and positively. Being one of Ripple's core product, XRapid does leverage XRP as a medium of exchange. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.